What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to go and give you one best option that how you can go and have a birthday song ready having your name inside the song. So how you can go and do that is going to be shown in this video. So let's go ahead and let me show you. There's one website named as One Happy Birthday. Just go and click on it, and now you have to go and visit on the website. You have to write the name which you want to go and have a birthday song with. My name is Nazir, so I'm going to go and just enter my name. If you have any other name, just go ahead and add the name. After your name is there, you can go and find out where is the name. It is already highlighted because I entered that. Just go and click on my name. My name is Nazir. You will have YouTube videos with happy birthday Nazir. So my name is so popular that people are actually singing happy birthday. No, it doesn't matter. Your name will be there, so be happy with that. So next you have to go and you can go and do that with mobile phone as well. Okay, onehappybirthday.com. Okay, so this is the song. I'm gonna go and play the song. You can go and enjoy the song. Okay, that's too much. Like, it's actually singing my name. So if you are going to go and surprise someone, this is going to go and make them feel special that you made a song with them. And just say that I actually given to the voice artist and they added the song and they made the song for you, so they will feel really special. Just go and do the simple trick. Just go and inside the party play the song, they will feel special. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Anyways, happy birthday if you are having or if someone is having. So see you guys next time.